for shooting. Ito po yung shooting. Wala pa yung scene ko. I'm waiting for my scene. So, done na po ang shooting. But they have one more scene. So, ako lang, yung iba lang po yung uuwi. But it was really great opportunity for me kasi dati, alam nyo naman, nung nasa movie ako, I was 60 years old. Ngayon, medyo mga 40s, mami na. So, it was really good opportunity for me and experience with Korean director. And it was so fun and medyo nervous, syempre, kasi first time ko ka-work yung Korean directors. Dilim na siya, so I will go home. Thank you for watching.